G'day, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. I'm here in the UK and I have a very special guest who's going to let him know all about who he is and what he does in the world to make a difference.
Hello, I'm Jeremy Nicholas. I'm the 11th most famous BBC Jeremy, after Jeremy Paxman, Jeremy Clarkson, Jeremy Vine, Jeremy Bowen, Jeremy Ball that you've never heard of, and 5 others. And every Monday, it's Mondays specifically, don't you? Yeah, because most days of the week I don't do anything. But Mondays I write my newsletter. And it's called Talking Toolbox, and it goes to loads of professional speakers all over the world, and it's how to be more entertaining and engaging when speaking in public. And I'm religious about doing it, and every week I spend 3 hours writing that, and lots of other speakers say, why do you spend all that time? And yet they're all on Facebook and social media all the time, just, arguing with people. And I think always got to do a newsletter. Whatever your business is, do a newsletter, and I get so much work through it. And 42% of people read my newsletter every week.
Wow, 42%. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Of the world?
No, 42% of people that get it open it. And
I'm being funny.
Yeah, no, I think you are. But people probably think that's not very many. But in newsletter terms, that's massive, isn't it? Because most people hardly, like 10% or something.
Well, I actually would love to be on and receive your newsletter. So how do we do that? Let everyone know.
It's in English. I don't know if you speak English, but
Body language.
It's on my website. It's jeremynicholas.co.uk. Jeremy Nicholas. Nicholas has a CH in the middle, not just a C. And don't go to jeremynicholas.com because that's a bitter and twisted actor who keeps trying to get me to change my name.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's no good. So anyway, for me, you are the number one Jeremy. So thank you very much for sharing with us today your tip and how we can also receive your newsletter, which will make a difference to our speaking.
It will, and if anyone that signs up for my newsletter gets a free download of my book, which is called 1,000,000 Tips on Public Speaking, brackets Volume 1.
Oh my goodness. So I'm the $1 million handshake lady and you're the million tip guy.
Absolutely.
Well done. Speak soon. Bye.